Today we are here at the Kisii Women's prisons to celebrate or to mark the International Women's Day. Is Dr. Magdalene Gesari Magangi, PhD, Gender and Development Studies. Being that I'm in the field of gender, one of the things we look at is the welfare of men and women in our midst. And so today, as we mark the International Women's Day, the theme of this year is invest in women, accelerate progress. So what you're saying is that even as we mark the other women out there in the various fields, economically promoting the empowerment of women, we are also looking at women behind correctional facilities, because we know not all of them are here for life. There is a good number of them who would still be released after a short while. Some of them are here for a few months, some of them a few years, and there are those who are there for life. Now, those who are here for a period of time, one thing we know for sure is, for whatever mistakes they may have committed, they would be eventually released to society. How do they come back into a society so that they do not commit similar crimes as they did? For example, we were informed that here in Kisii prisons, one of the biggest crimes that brings most women here, yani hapa wengine wange, wanawake wengi wanajipata behind bars kwa sababu ya illicit brew. Na mnaelewa kwamba mambo ya illicit brew, by the time mwanamke ana engage kwa vitu kama hizo, it means anatafuta a source of livelihood. Pengine alishe familia yake, pengine aone vile anaweza manage uchumi vile iko. Sasa mtu kama huyo akishaletwa behind bars, anafanyiwa training, because this is a correctional and rehabilitation facility. Akitoka kwenda kule nje, anatoka na skills za aina mingi, so that apate njia ya kujikimu kimaisha, so that they do not have to go back to what they have been doing.
My name is Jaras Kibagendi. I'm from an organization called AGS. Today we are celebrating the International Women's Day here at Kisii prisons, and we are glad that we have remembered to come to this lot this time, because most of the time they are often forgotten, and the work that is happening here is amazing. The things that they learn here are amazing things, and this is preparing them to get back to the society and be meaningful members of society as they were before they did whatever mistakes that they did. I'm calling everyone out here watching. Let us celebrate women. Let us give women chances in leadership, in whatever space that needs service. Let's embrace diversity. Let's embrace gender mainstreaming, because I heard them say that whatever a man can do, a woman can do better. And that is true, because we've seen women who are doing amazing service to the community. We've seen women leaders who are transformational leaders. I celebrate every woman watching this. I celebrate every woman who is stepping up to take any role in leadership in their homes, in their churches, in whatever place they are. From me to you, thank you very much. You are very important.
As we are celebrating the International Women's Day, we thought it would be better. As Mentor Foundation community, we celebrate our ladies here. We thought it would be better we celebrate them. They are mostly forgotten. They are taken as sinners, but they are our sisters. It's better we embrace them. Today it will be me. Today it's them. Tomorrow it will be me. So I wish everyone from Mentor Foundation to everyone outside there, our ladies, happy International Women's Day.
Spend our time in such a facility, and we thank all our friends and partners who are here with us, even as we mark this day. Most importantly, the message we are sending out to the society out there is that there is nobody who is above sin. In one way or another, you may find yourself committing a crime, or you may find yourself doing something that is unpleasant or against the law. And somehow you can find yourself behind such a facility. The only thing we promote is that we take control of our emotions, and we also try as much as possible to live within the requirements of the law. However, should somebody come to such a facility and then they are released to go back out there to the society, surely it is our duty as fellow Kenyans, as human beings, to embrace them. Let us not judge them for the crimes they may have committed, if indeed they have atoned for their sins, or they have been forgiven, or they have been taken through the training and they have been sent back, having undergone the period that they were tasked, they were sentenced to. We take them back and we give them an opportunity to become better citizens. And we also do not condemn them, constantly tormenting them. Yani unashinda unamwambia huyu si ni yule nani alifanya makosa fulani. Kati yetu hata kule nje kuna watu wamefanya makosa mabaya zaidi. Kuna watoto wanakuwa defiled, na hao watu ambao wana defile watoto, they are not behind bars. Kuna watu wana break into people's homes, kuna watu wanafanya all sorts of crimes, ni bila hawajashikwa. So hatuwezi kuwa so quick to judge mtu mwenye yeye alikubali kwamba alifanya makosa fulani na akakuwa released kwenda after some time akakuwa released back to society. We take them and we also help rehabilitate